be thinner, that one wants to get the girl. And do I help them? Yes, indeed. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so sad. They come flocking to my cauldron, crying spells, Ursula, please, and I help them. Yes, I do.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something very different. So right now I'm in just kind of like a creative, colorful type of mood, and I really want to do something that I've never done before, like maybe like avant-garde or Halloween inspired, or I don't really know, but I have a ton of stuff over here. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to kind of wing it and see what comes into my brain. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful turquoise right here, and I'm just going to put this somewhere. Let's just put it here. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know that I want to play with makeup and just have fun. Okay, so we've got that turquoise color on. Now I'm gonna go into this hot pink up here. I'm gonna do this over here. So like the right side of the crease. Maybe this will be like a mermaid look. I don't know, I was just really like gravitating towards the teals. Guys, I don't know what's gonna happen. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Do you guys ever get in those moods though, where you just wanna like play with makeup and not take it so seriously? And I don't know, that's just where I'm at today. So I'm just going back in with that teal color to intensify it. While I'm doing this right now, the Little Mermaid song, Part of Your World, is just on repeat in my head, and I don't know why. So maybe subconsciously I'm making like a mermaid type look. I don't know what I'm doing, but I guess that's the fun part about makeup sometimes, is you can just do whatever you want and just have fun with it. I'm gonna take the small Morphe brush again, and then I'm gonna bring that down here. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women. I look insane right now. Sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's fire and what is it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore above, out of the sea? Wish I could be part of that world. Okay, what am I doing? I really want to take those colors and kind of put them everywhere. I'm gonna take those hot pink shades on a fluffy brush. This might be a total mistake, but so I'm just gonna start putting those pink shades around my hairline in like circling motions. If this goes well, maybe I'll actually do this for Halloween. Like actually like wear this for Halloween. I'm having so much fun right now. Honestly, this is the most fun I've had in like probably weeks. I'm gonna go into the teal and then like the cobalt blue. I wonder if I should just fill my whole forehead at this point. This is cool. I'm having like the best time ever. I hope I'm not late to class because I'm like doing this for the rest of the night. for contour, I'm gonna use this one, which is kind of like a, it's definitely a pink, but it's like a dark pink. And it should be the most intense at the base and then kind of gradually get lighter. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of the pink on my nose. And to do eyeliner, I'm gonna use the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I'm just gonna do like a huge wing and then bring it back in. All right, so we have eyeliner on now. You know, just like a tiny little cat eye, something natural. You know what I just realized though? That this could totally work as Ursula. This could be like a perfect Ursula Halloween look. So maybe that's what I'll do. So now let's carefully use the Stila Magnificent Metals. This stuff is amazing. And I'm gonna do this basically on the blue area that we just did. And you could also like dot it around. So the effect that I'm trying to do here is just have it be like cascading sparkles. Like the most intense on the very inner corner and then like cascading outward. I think I'm gonna put some underneath the wing as well, just to kind of balance it out. Now let's put on some lashes. For lashes today, I'm gonna use these brand new, well, I don't know if they're brand new, but I just bought them. They're the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, and they are the style camisole. All right, so we have those lashes on. I actually think that they are very beautiful. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Eye Studio Blackest Black Gel Eyeliner to put in my waterline because I noticed that it stays really well. So we're gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara on our lower eyelashes. I think I'm just gonna go straight into highlighter. I am so excited to use this product today. I just picked this up from Walgreens. This is the Sleek Makeup, the Solstice Highlighting Palette, and everybody raves about this one. So I am so excited to give this a go today. These three, 1, 2, 3, these are all regular highlighters. This one is a cream, I believe. So I'm gonna swatch all of them for you to see which one would look best. I'm thinking it's gonna be this purple one. That's the most pigmented highlighter I've ever used. Okay. Here is the cream highlighter. That's pretty. Here's like the mega pigmented one. Okay, that's literally metallic. Okay, so here's the yellow one. Okay. Oh my god, those are so beautiful. I think I should just go for it and use the most blinding one. And to do this, I'm going to use none other than the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe highlighting brush that just came out that I reviewed on my channel. And if you have not seen that, I will link it right up here for you. So let's go ahead and go into this one. Oh, wow. Oh, holy. Okay, I can, okay, I applied way too much. But now I see why everybody was obsessed with this and still is, apparently. I did less on this side. Oh my god, it's so blinding. Look at that nose highlight. Oh. This is insane. Okay, Cupid's bow. I feel like I need to start singing Poor Unfortunate Souls right now. Poor unfortunate souls. I'm gonna put some on my inner corner. I literally cannot even believe how beautiful this palette is. So for lips, I'm actually gonna use eyeshadows to dip into the teal and the blue. And I'm gonna do that on my Cupid's bow. And now that we have the blue on, I'm gonna use the hot pink that we used for the rest of the face. And then I'm gonna go back into the blue and do like the corners. I'm gonna use this Luna lip crayon in the color Elera. So now that we have that on, I'm gonna use the blue again and just kind of stipple it over the edges. Just to give that like ombre-ish effect. So now I'm going to use the exact same technique that I did on my first avant-garde look. And I'm going to put this, actually the Magnificent Metals, I'm going to put that on my lips. Alright everybody, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Ursula inspired Halloween makeup tutorial. Thank you for bearing with me. I did not know what I was going to do in the very beginning, but as it sort of evolved, I came out with this. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. So it is currently... While I'm doing this right now, the only deal that hold on. Oh god. Where's my This is not working. Oh my god.